I haven't posted in a long time, but I found this right here lock, and I never posted it before. I think, you know, it'd be pretty cool to pick a dimple lock. I haven't picked one in a long time. I hope everyone is doing well out there. And this pick, I bought the whole set. I don't know what they're called, but if you look them up on the internet, you can find them. They're about $120 for the set. I think you get like 5 of them with different types of tips, you know. This is a flat tip. It works for me. Some of you may like different things, I don't know. But, you know, we're going to try to pick it. There is, let me see, there is 6 pins. As y'all can count, there's 6 pins there. And we're going to try to pick it. You know. This is my first pick of the day, by the way. I hope I get it halfway right. I haven't even had any coffee or nothing else this morning. Not that I'm a big coffee drinker, but, you know, it does help. It does help. I had to reset it there because this lock has security pins in this baby. This is a Magnum, a Euro cylinder, if you guys are interested in it. This is their high security series, or whatever you call it. This was the one that I got from Israel probably maybe 3 years ago, maybe. Something like that. It was in a big box. I ordered a bunch of junk, and it came in that box. Yeah, it don't feel like it wants to pick this morning. Sometimes these dimple locks are really strange locks, man. I guess that's why a lot of people don't like picking them. I don't know. I had to reset it again. We're going to try to go from the back now, see if we can get it set like that. It don't act like it wants to pick this morning. I don't know. I just came back from my run, and I guess I had to reset it again. Yeah. My girlfriend just sent me a message. She wants to have a chat. Uh-oh. Maybe I'm in trouble. There ain't no telling with women these days, you know. They're always up to some kind of bullshit. Yeah, definitely. It's definitely giving me a hard time. I like a lock like this though, man. This ain't one of them easy kinds. You gotta be real careful with the pressure. You know, with the tension. I just got to click out of 2. Just got to click out of 1. I'm just going up and down the there she goes. She's open. That is one heck of a lock right there, brothers. One heck of a lock. 6-pin, high security, Israeli type of a lock. Just nasty, just really a fun pick. Well, I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves out there. And thank you for watching. Talk to you all later.